Hey guys, in this video I will show you why your Shopify website is not appearing in Google search and how you can fix it. Let's get started. One of the most common reasons is neglecting Google Search Console. Many store owners focus on designing their website but overlook search engine optimization, which is crucial for ranking and search results. If you have not submitted your Shopify site to Google Search Console, Google may not be indexing your store properly. A major issue that affects indexing is the sitemap status. If Google cannot fetch your sitemap, your store's ranking will suffer. To check this, go to Google Search Console, click on the Sitemap section and make sure it says Success instead of Couldn't Fetch. If there is an issue, you may need to resubmit your sitemap by entering your sitemap URL and clicking Submit. Another important factor is page indexing. If your pages are not indexed, they will not appear in search results. In Google Search Console, navigate to the Pages section to check for indexing issues. If you see errors or warnings, clicking on each issue will provide explanations and possible solutions. You may need to request indexing for certain pages if they were previously blocked or not crawled by Google. Your store's visibility also depends on Google Shopping. If your products are not listed in Google Merchant Center, you are missing out on a major traffic source. Setting up a Google Merchant Center account and linking it to your Shopify store ensures that your products appear in Google Shopping search results. This can drive more traffic and increase your chances of making sales. By analyzing Google Search Console, fixing sitemap errors, and utilizing Google Shopping, you can significantly improve your Shopify store's ranking and visibility in search results. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.